So in this video, we are going to learn how to enroll Graphy user on FlexiFunnels purchase. Let's say you have created an online course and you're using Graphy as a LMS platform, and you have created a funnel using FlexiFunnel to sell that course as well. Now you want that whenever a new sale happens of that course in FlexiFunnel, you want to enroll that same customer into your Graphy course as well. So let me tell you, you can completely automate this process. In this automation, as a new sale is going to happen for that course in FlexiFunnel, automatically the customer who made the purchase will be added as a learner in our Graphy account, and also automatically we are going to add that same customer, that same learner, and enroll them into the course in Graphy as well. Now, if you want to learn how you can set up this complete automation all by yourself, for that you just have to come with me to my screen.
So as you can see, this is my FlexiFunnels account and I have created a sales page for one of my course of Python. Now I want that whenever a user is going to make a purchase of this particular course using my FlexiFunnel page, I want to add the same person. I want to enroll the same user into the course of Python in my Graphy account. Now to do this, we have to connect FlexiFunnels with Graphy. And we are going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing automation and integration platform to do so. Now to get started with Pabbly Connect, you will get a free sign-up link in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes. After creating your account and coming to this dashboard, we have to create an automation workflow over here. For that, just click on this Create Workflow button and give this workflow a name. Let's say I'll name it as FlexiFunnels to Graphy. You can basically give any other name as per your choice. Then just click on Create. And as you click on Create, here you can see the workflow will open in front of us. In this workflow, we have two different windows. First one is the trigger window and second one is the action window. So triggers and actions are basically those two concepts, those two principles on which this whole automation works on, where the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. So let's start with our trigger step. Now the idea here is, first we have to connect our FlexiFunnel account or the product which we have created with FlexiFunnel with Pabbly Connect in the trigger step. So that whenever a new sale is happening, whenever a user is going to make a purchase from our FlexiFunnel page, we will be getting the details of the same purchase inside Pabbly Connect and this automation workflow will trigger. It will start. Then after that, using this Pabbly Connect automation, we are going to send the details of the same customer who made the purchase to Graphy and enroll that person into our course in our Graphy account. So let's see how it is done. Here in our trigger step, in Choose App, search for FlexiFunnels and select it. After selecting FlexiFunnels, in Trigger Event from the drop-down, select the trigger event as New Purchase. After selecting a trigger event, Pabbly Connect gave us a webhook URL. And now we have to add this webhook URL in our FlexiFunnel account. Now to add this webhook URL, we just have to follow the instructions given below over here. Copy the webhook URL from here and go to your FlexiFunnels account. After coming to FlexiFunnels, we will go to Products, and here we have to select the product for which we want to set up this automation. I want to set up this automation for this digital course of Python programming which I have. So we'll just click on this Edit button, and after clicking on this Edit button, we will go to Set Rules. After coming to the Set Rules section, click on this Set Product Rule, and then here we have to set up the condition. So in the first option, when a product is purchased for all pricing plans, we want to set up this automation workflow that whenever this product is purchased, and if you are having multiple pricing plan, in that case as well, I want to send the data to Pabbly Connect. So I'm selecting all pricing options over here. And here after that, under Use, here by default it has selected Select an autoresponder, but we have to select webhooks over here. Now let's give this webhook a name. I'll name it as Pabbly Connect. And then here we have to paste the exact same webhook URL which Pabbly Connect gave us. Just copy it from here and paste it over here. After pasting the webhook URL, just click on Save. And as we click on Save, here you can see this webhook URL is now added in our FlexiFunnel account. And now whenever a new purchase of this particular product will be happening through our FlexiFunnel pages, automatically the details of the same page will be received inside our Pabbly Connect workflow in the trigger step. Now here in the trigger step, you can see it is showing us waiting for webhook response. This means Pabbly Connect is waiting to capture some response of a new purchase being happening on our FlexiFunnel page for the same product. So let's do it. I'll just go to my sales page, and here by entering the details of a dummy customer, I will be making a purchase over here. Let's say the name of the person is demo user. This is the email address. And this is a dummy mobile number over here, which we are entering. After entering this number, let's enter our address as well. So this is a dummy address. The city is, for example, Bhopal. State is Madhya Pradesh. The country is, for example, India. So let me just select India over here. And here it is. The zip code is this. After entering the details of a dummy customer, we are going to make a test payment. So let me just enter the test card details over here. This is a test CVV and this is a dummy zip code. After entering all of these details, let's click on complete order. Now when we click on complete order, here you can see we are making a purchase of our product using our FlexiFunnel page. Or if you're having a live page, you can just capture the response of a live order or live purchase as well. And the order is successfully placed. Just now, a customer has made a purchase for our product using our FlexiFunnel pages. Now, in our Pabbly Connect workflow, in this trigger step, within few seconds, you can see we have received the response. And in this response, you can see the details of the same sale which has happened. Here you can see the same state which we have entered over here. We have the transaction ID, we have the zip code entered by the customer while making the payment. And after that, we have the URL, the link of the page from which this new sale has happened. We will scroll down further. Here we have the price of the product. Then we have the mobile number of the customer. We have the first name, last name, email address, currency, and address detail, like rest of the details. This means the step 1 of setting up this automation is completed, where we have successfully connected our FlexiFunnel account with Pabbly Connect and captured the response of a new sale being happening on our FlexiFunnel product. After this, let's move to step 2. And in step 2, we want to add the same customer who made the purchase of our course on FlexiFunnel and add that person as a learner in Graphy. For that, we will scroll down, come to this action step, and here in Choose App, we'll just search for Graphy. Just select it. After selecting Graphy in action event from the drop-down, select the action event as Create Learners. After selecting this action event, just click on Connect and select Add New Connection. Now here we have to connect our Graphy account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, we have to enter the API key and merchant ID of our Graphy account. Now you must be thinking how you can get this API key and merchant ID. For that, we just have to go to a Graphy account. From the left sidebar, we will go to Integration and select Third-Party Integration. Under Third-Party Integrations, we will just scroll down and here you can see Pabbly Connect. Just copy the API key of Pabbly Connect from here, go to Pabbly Connect's connection window and paste it over here. After that, to get the merchant ID, go back to your Graphy account and from the left sidebar, we will go to APIs. And under APIs, you can see the merchant ID of your Graphy account. Just copy the merchant ID from here and paste it over here. After entering the API key and merchant ID of our Graphy account, just click on Save. And as we click on Save here, you can see Graphy will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making the connection, it is asking us email address, name, mobile number of the new learner which we want to create in our Graphy account. So we have received all of these details of the customer from FlexiFunnels in the trigger step. Now here from the trigger step responses, we want to send all of these details to this Graphy action step. And to add the responses of trigger step to this Graphy action step, we are going to use a process called mapping. And the process of mapping is very simple. Simply click on this field of email and here in this drop down, you can see a list of all the responses of a new sale which we have received from Graphy. Out of all of these responses, we will just select the response of email and it will be mapped over here. After mapping the email address, we are going to use the same process from name and mobile number as well. Click on this field of name from the drop down, select the response of first name and it will be mapped. Then just add a space and select the response of last name as well. After mapping the name, it is asking us for the mobile number. Let's click here and from the drop down, select the response of mobile number and map it to. After mapping all of these details, it is asking us for the password. And the field of password is not mandatory, is not required. So we are going to ignore this field for now because as we are going to add this learner in our Graphy account, they will be getting an email and they can set up their own password as well. So after mapping all of these details, let's click on Save and Send Test Request. And as we click on Save and Send Test Request, here you can see we have received the response. And this response seems to be a positive response to us. This response shows that this particular user is now added as a learner in our Graphy account. So let's check it. We will go to Graphy, we will go to this user section and under learners, you can see demo user with the same email address is now added in our Graphy account. And here you can see we have the same mobile number as well. This means the step 2 of setting up this automation is also completed. We want to enroll this particular person, this user, into a specific course in our Graphy account as well. For that, we will scroll down, click on this Add Action step in our Pabbly Connect workflow, and here in Choose App, once again, we'll just search for Graphy. Just select it. And after selecting Graphy in the action application, this time in action event from the drop-down, select the action event as Enroll Learner to Course. Then just click on Connect. And because we have connected our Graphy account with Pabbly Connect in the previous step, we don't have to make a new connection. You can select the existing connection and click on Save. And as we click on Save, once again you can see our Graphy account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making the connection, it is asking us for the email, that what is the email address of the learner to whom we want to enroll into a specific course. So we have to just click on this field of email, and in the drop down you can see a list of all the responses from previous 2 steps, from the FlexiFunnel trigger step and also from the Graphy action step as well. So here from the Graphy action step, we will just select the response of email and map it over here. Then after that, it is asking us for the course URL. Now here you must be thinking where you will get the course URL, because here we have to enter the course URL of the course in which we want to enroll this particular learner. Now to get the course URL, just go to your Graphy account. From the left sidebar, go to Products. After coming to Products, just select Courses over here, and we have to open the course in which we want to enroll the learner. So I've created this Python course in which I want to enroll the learner, for which we have created the funnel page using FlexiFunnels. Now after opening this page, we will just have to go to the Pages section over here and copy this URL from here. Then go to Pabbly Connect and paste it over here. After mapping the email address of the learner to whom we want to enroll into this course and pasting the course URL, just click on Save and Send Test Request. And as we click on Save and Send Test Request, here you can see we have received a response. And this response seems to be a positive response to us. This response shows that this particular learner is now enrolled into this course in our Graphy account. So let's check it. We will just go to Graphy account, we will just go to the learners section of this course, and yes, here you can see that demo user, the same person who made the purchase on our FlexiFunnel funnel page, is now enrolled into the course in our Graphy account. We have the same name, same email address, and rest of the details. This means the automation workflow which we have created between FlexiFunnels and Graphy using Pabbly Connect, this automation is working perfectly fine. And using this automation, whenever a customer is going to make a purchase on our FlexiFunnel page, automatically the same person will be enrolled into the course in our Graphy account. Now after setting up this automation, we are going to test this automation workflow once. For that, what we are going to do, we are going to make another payment over here. Let's make a new purchase with the details of a new customer. Let's say the name of the customer is Test Dummy. This is the email address. And then this is a dummy mobile number. Then this is the address Z10, cities for example Delhi, the state is Delhi over here. The country is India, so let's just select the country over here. This is the zip code. After entering these details, let's enter the test card details as well, and this is the CVV. And after entering all of these details, like the details of another test customer and making a test purchase, click on Complete Order. Now, as we click on Complete Order, yes, now you can see that a new purchase is happening on our FlexiFunnels funnel page. And as this new purchase is completed, we will see instantly within seconds, the customer who made the purchase will be added as a learner in our Graphy course. So we'll just go to the learners page of our Graphy course and refresh this page once. And yes, here you can see within seconds, automatically the same customer who has purchased the course on our FlexiFunnels funnel page is now enrolled into the course in our Graphy account. Here you can see we have the same person, the same name, the same email address, and the same mobile number. This means the automation workflow which we have created using Pabbly Connect, this automation is working perfectly fine, and we have tested this automation in real time. So not just these applications, you can connect plenty of other applications with Pabbly Connect. And one more important thing, you will find the clone link of this exact same automation workflow in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can just clone the same workflow into your own Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation for free. Also, let me tell you, Pabbly Connect offers you a free plan. And in this plan, you will get some free tasks every month into your own Pabbly Connect account. So if you want to try and test this automation, you can just do it for absolutely free.
So if this video was helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with others, or if you have any kind of doubts or queries, you can always write us in the comment box below or email us at support@pabbly.com. Also, you can post your queries on our forum as well. And if you want to check the pricing of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this link. So this is it for today's video. Thank you. Have a great day.